Taking creative self-portraits is not as difficult as it may seem. In fact, all you need is a little patience and a video like this. In this video, I'll share 7 creative self-portrait photography tips that you can use in the comfort of your home and take really stunning and beautiful pictures of yourself. Let's dive in. Number 1. Photograph yourself from different angles. Don't just take photos at eye level. This is one of the easiest ways to get great results quickly. As you can see here, I'm trying different things. Some angles might not work in your favor, and that's completely fine. Incorporate props into your shoot to tell a story. All of these things will help you take eye-catching photos of yourself. Number 2. Take faceless self-portraits. Take photos that don't reveal every part of your face. You can do this in 2 ways. The first method is to hide your whole face. You can turn your back to the camera or hide your face with your hands, for example. You can also use an object to hide your face. You can tell all kinds of stories this way. The second method is to hide a part of your face. Again, you can use a prop like a book or your hand. Here I'm using a cat toy because it's colorful and pretty. And all of these things can help you take really mysterious and beautiful self-portraits. So experiment with different items in your home, especially if they're colorful, even if they're cat toys. Whatever works for you and whatever helps you take really beautiful original self-portraits. Number 3. Take photos with your pet. This is a fun idea that I personally love. I have a gorgeous cat called Mimi who's naturally photogenic, and she's definitely not the biggest fan of taking photos, but sometimes she's open to modeling with me. If you have a pet, even one that doesn't like being photographed, you can take great photos with it. Taking photos with pets is always a good idea because it can help you relax. It can also give your photos a boost of cuteness, which is always a plus. Number 4. Take blurred photos on purpose. Your self-portraits don't always need to be sharp and perfect. Out-of-focus shots can tell an even more interesting story than a simple portrait. What I like to do is not just take a blurred photograph. I like to have a focus point that's sharp, like my hand or my hair. It's still obvious that there's a person in the image, but their features aren't clear. Again, this can help you take mysterious self-portraits that make people think deeply about the concept of your shoot. Number 5. Use motion blur. Another thing you can do is take photos that are blurred because you're moving around a lot. You can shake your head, move your hand around, anything really. Make sure you use a slow shutter speed so that your camera takes photos slowly. The slower your shutter speed, the more haunting your photographs will look. If you combine this with moody lighting, your photos will look really gloomy and interesting. Number 6. Shoot through a folder. If you have a folder lying around that's semi-transparent, you can use it to take cool self-portraits indoors. This is a tip that I share in my indoor self-portrait photography on a budget course, where I teach people how to take amazing photos of themselves in the comfort of their homes. There are 30 video lessons that are meant to help you strengthen your confidence, build your own community of photographers, and take self-portraits that you're proud of. There are also challenges at the end of every video lesson that are meant to help you improve day by day. Check out the link in the description to find out more about this course. Now back to the folder. All you need to do is hold it in front of your face as you take self-portraits. The effect will be dreamy and hazy and, yes, you guessed it, mysterious. The good thing about folders is that they come in all kinds of colors and they're really affordable. So play around with different colors to create different moods. You'll leave people wondering how you took such cool pictures. Number 7. Use accessories. Hats, sunglasses, jewelry, temporary tattoos, and the list goes on. You can use all of these details to change your appearance and take really creative self-portraits. Even a small change, like wearing sunglasses, can make your self-portraits look outstanding. Remember to mix and match so you can shoot through a folder while wearing sunglasses. You can take photos with your pet and experiment with different angles. So be as free as you want to be as a photographer and get creative. This is the best way for you to take stunning pictures of yourself. Also remember to check out my course, Indoor Self-Portrait Photography on a Budget, to take your photography skills to the next level. See you soon!